This is a E-track tie-down rail roll-forming machine which can do up to 3 mm thickness E-track tie-down rails used for cargoes. Machine adopts servo flying cutting unit which can make machines do non-stop running so that machine whole line speed can reach 10 meters per minute. Machine forming part used casting iron machine, satins, and roller material used CR12 with heat treatment, 80 mm solid shafts which all guarantee the machine's strong quality. Two-in-one decoiler and leveling machine was used in the beginning of the line. 30 kilowatt power bigger pump station used in the punching unit and used servo motor to realize quick feeding so that can improve the punching speed. The machine adopts quick change type which can do two different E-track tie-down rail profiles. This solution is suitable for workshop space elimination, but need to do different profiles clients. Machine supports customization. If you have needs, welcome to discuss with our Kangju Dingjuo company staffs. We are looking forward to cooperation with you.